Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation for today. Can I ask you, is there anything I can do to make your life a little bit easier? What can I help you with to get your life going on that higher level that you are looking for? Could you and me work together to get your next big adventure started? Drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon, but first, here is today's quote. Fear has two meanings. Forget everything and run, or face everything and rise. The choice is yours. One word, two meanings. Do you simply run to try and forget, or do you face it head on? Running away will still have it chasing you every single day, but stand up and facing it, that's where you can not only solve the problem, but also grow stronger. One word does have two meanings, but only one is worth your time.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.